Hey guys, Mark from MiniMonsters RC here, coming at you right from our basement, I guess, for this video. This is a first kind of run-through test of our portable crawler course that we've been working on. As you can see, we've got a little bit of a slalom set up, some bodies to go over, we've got a tire pit, and a few other little things. This will be something new that we'll be hopefully offering this year at whatever events we go to, provided the space is there. So let's take a quick kind of drive through and see how this thing does. Well, there you have it. Just looks like she works pretty good. Definitely, you probably hear a little bit of body rub still to sort out with the 82 GMC body. As you can see, we've got her stickered up from MacDonald Buick GMC. Huge thank you to you guys for the help on getting this crawler and this course up and running. You know, you guys need any type of new or used vehicles, make sure you go out and check out MacDonald Buick GMC. Tons of stuff on site there. Don't forget to let them know Mark or MiniMonsters RC referred you. It'd be a major help to us. Look forward to seeing you guys out there at the events we're at. Have a great one, folks.